Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are tuning in for the first time, welcome. In today's video I'll be showing us how to make this crispy grilled chicken. Kindly keep watching. While watching, give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. To start with, I have my already washed chicken wings here. So right now I'm going to go in and start adding in my spices and all that. I am going to start with my garlic paste. So I have this garlic paste already made into a jar that I kept in my fridge. So I'm just going to go in and drop a few spoons on this chicken. Then I'm going to go in with my hands and just make sure this goes round.
The halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la.
So I'm going to squeeze this into this bowl, then add salt, then I'll go in again and rub this in. Make sure every of my wings is touched. I'm going in right now and I'm adding my blended pepper. I put on this glove because of this pepper. I am no superwoman. Pepper hurts my hands, so just going to go in and, like I've been doing for the rest, make sure this pepper goes round.
Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide.
I added a little focus. Yeah, I added a little ketchup to this, so just going to go in and mix this in to give it that little bit of dark look I want to achieve. This looks good already. I need to taste for salt and make sure the spices are okay. Yeah, I think this is perfect. So I'm done mixing this. I'm just going to go in and leave it in the fridge for a few hours while I preheat my air fryer. I'm going to leave this in the fridge for a few hours.
2,000 years later.
So the chicken has been marinating for like 2 hours. I'm going to go in right now and place it inside the air fryer. Bear in mind I said I preheated my air fryer, so I'm just going to place this into the air fryer compartment so it can start grilling. So I've placed the first set into the air fryer compartment. I do not want to start this up too much because I want the heat to go round and touch each and every one of them. So I'm going to place this inside. I'm going to put this in the air fryer for like 30 minutes at 180 degree centigrade, and I will show you guys the outcome. So this is what it looks like 15 minutes. This is what it looks like after 15 minutes. I'm going to go around. I'm going to go in now and flip this so the other side too can be grilled. I also want to put some into the oven. I've been preheating the oven, so I'm going to place this into the oven. This is in order for me to compare how it looks like when used with air fryer and how it looks like when used with oven. So guys, this is what the end result of our grilled chicken wings look like, and it tastes so yummy. So till my next video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. See you, bye.